Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook, and today we're going to cook one of my favorite vegetables, aubergines, also known as eggplants. I've got two different types here, and it's a perfect fall and winter side dish. You can get eggplants year-round. It's a quick and easy dish, so let's get started. Next, I have about 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to give that a rough chop. I have these beautiful Thai chilies that I sun-dried myself. If you don't have Thai chilies, you can use about a tablespoon of red chili flake. Now I'll order me some plus done, let's cook. I'm going to turn my Breville Polyscience Control Freak induction burner up to about a medium-high heat, about 300 degrees. I love how quickly this thing heats up. Literally heats up a pan within 10-15 seconds. About a teaspoon of sesame oil. We'll start with our onions. And our garlic. Let's add a pinch of salt. Will help bring out some of the moisture. All right, now that our onions are starting to caramelize, let's add in our eggplant. Okay, at this point, your pan's gonna start to look a little dry because all of that eggplant is gonna soak up all your oil. Don't add more oil at this point. There's gonna be a transition phase where you're caramelizing your eggplant, starting to get color, and all that oil is gonna come back out along with a lot of moisture to help the cooking process. As you can see, our eggplant is starting to get some beautiful color. You can start to smell it. I wish we had smell-o-vision. So good. That roasty eggplant smell, there's nothing like it. Let's start adding in all of our spices. We've got about 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of dried basil, 1.5 tablespoons of dried oregano. This is 2 tablespoons of Spiceology's Everything Bagel Spice Mix, our Thai chilies, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'll stir. 1 13.8 ounce carton of palm chopped tomatoes. Give this all a stir. We're gonna put our lid on. It's gonna cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our eggplant tomatoes have been going now for about 15 minutes. Let's give it a check. I can tell from the texture of the eggplant, we've got probably about 5 more minutes. If your eggplant is feeling a little bit spongy when you're stirring it, it's not done yet. It needs about a few more minutes. So give this 5 more minutes, we're gonna pull it off. Let's give it a taste. A little bit of everything on there. In total, I put about 3 tablespoons of salt in here. Just a little spicy from the Thai chilies. That garam masala really comes through. Nutmeg on the back end. It tastes incredibly warm and tastes like the holidays. So this is a perfect dish this year. If you want to switch things up and you don't want all the normal things, have the normal things too, because they're always delicious. But have this as another side dish. You can make this the day before or even a couple days before. It reheats wonderfully and holds for about a week. You can serve this just as is, as a side dish, or its own dish on its own. A little Greek yogurt. Some of our stewed eggplant. And to add some brininess, a few Kalamata olives. Finish off with some really good Corto extra virgin olive oil.